You think your iPhone's Wi-Fi is safe by default? Think again. These two settings could be inviting strangers straight into your online life. I'm Lawrence from Family Cyber Tips Weekly, the channel that helps you keep your family safe in the digital world. Today, we're diving into two hidden iPhone Wi-Fi settings that most people ignore but could make the difference between a secure connection and handing hackers a welcome mat. Let's discuss the problem. By default, your iPhone may automatically connect to nearby networks or hotspots, even ones you never joined before. That sounds convenient, but here's the danger. Fake Wi-Fi networks can pretend to be your local cafe or hotel. Once connected, cyber criminals can intercept your browsing, steal logins, or push malicious content. And the scary part, it can happen without your tapping anything. Let's look at the first fix. I'm going to go to the iPhone as I often do. And we'll go to settings, as you can see. Okay. Then if you scroll down, and I hope this will allow me to show you the whole thing. If you scroll down, you can see those two. I'm just stretching it. You can see ask to join networks. At the moment, it's on notify. That has to change to off. Okay. I'm going to hide my video so that you can see the entire settings. Please forgive me. Okay. All right. So if you scroll all the way down, you can see there that it says ask to join networks. And if I set it to off, then I'm good to go. So you set it to off. And now if I go back, you can see that it is set to off. All right. You ask, why does this have to be? Okay. I now know you want to see me. So I go back to there. All right. Why? It's because when it's on, your iPhone is constantly sending out a looking for Wi-Fi signal, which can be used to track your movements and tempt you into unsafe pop-ups. Okay. Let's look at the second fix. Again, we go back to the iPhone. We're still on that page, so I haven't gone anywhere. And you can see the auto join hotspot. You can see that? Yeah. At the moment, for your benefit anyway, I've put it on ask to join. But what that should be, it should be set to never. All right. So I'm going to do that now and show you that it is now never. When you click it, it gives you those options. Of course, you need to select never there. Okay. Go back. And now you can see the two settings. Ask to join networks is off and auto join hotspot is set to never. Okay. Now, just like I explained the other reason for, setting, the first fix that we spoke about. This stops this particular one that you're setting now to never, auto joining hotspot. It stops your iPhone from automatically connecting to someone else's shared hotspot without your knowledge, including potential risky ones that are just, all over the place nearby. Okay. It's really important that you understand why you're doing that. So that's a setting or two settings that you must change, just as I have directed. By turning ask to join networks off and auto join hotspot to never, you reduce the chance of accidentally connecting to rogue networks. You also keep your data safe, or safer even, from public Wi-Fi snoops. You also give yourself more control over where your phone connects to. Very crucial, okay? Cybersecurity is not just about big, expensive tools. It's about making small, smart choices that add up to big protection for you and the entire family. So I urge you, as a parent, a caregiver, a babysitter, a nanny, whatever it is you do that puts you in front or gives you oversight over young ones, check your iPhone settings right now. And while you're there, hit subscribe so you never miss another simple safety tip. I've been your host this evening. My name is Lawrence Edem, helping you weekly guard your family in the digital age. Until Monday, next week at 6 p.m., God bless and goodbye.
Protect our circle, keep it